Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a created player to a roster in Madden NFL 27. Here's exactly what you need to do. Start by opening the creation center, then go to players and uniforms and select create a player. Before you make your player, there's one thing that you need to know. You can't manually select the team from the player creation screen. Instead, Madden automatically puts your created player on whichever team you manually currently have set as your favorite. So if you want the player to be on a particular team, change your favorite team first, then come back and create your player. After that, create your player and make sure you choose the correct position and team, since those are the main things that matter here. When you're done, back out and save your created player. Now head back to the main menu, open the creation center again and choose edit rosters. From there, select order depth chart. This is where you can find your created player, and if needed, switch to a different team or position. Press L2 on Xbox or L2 on PlayStation to switch between teams. To move between positions, use the right trigger on Xbox or R2 on PlayStation. For example, I created a quarterback, and since the player was assigned to my favorite team automatically, I can find them on that team right away. Once you locate your created player, move them into the first spot on the depth chart. After they are placed at the top, the roster changes should be applied and your created player will be part of that roster. And that's all you need to do to add a created player to a roster in Madden NFL 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.